Welcome to the course on Journey Through Numbers from Counting to Calculus with Amos the Math Guy. We're starting from about 2000 BC and we're going all the way to 2000 AD, 4,000 years of math history. But here's the cool thing. Why should you learn calculus? Because if you know calculus, there is no career field that will be closed to you. Basically, you could do any career you want in calculus. If you know calculus. And so think about this as an opportunity to open doors, right? Whether you want to study physical chemistry or physics or mathematics or computer science or any field in the STEM world, if your calculus is intact, there is no limit. No pun intended. Anyways, those who know calculus know what I'm talking about. But here's the deal. In this course, we literally have a couple of textbooks. Don't be intimidated by all of these. We have a textbook called Journey Through Genius, which we're going over in my channel. We have a textbook called From Counting to Calculus. We have another textbook called Understanding Mathematics from Counting to Calculus. And then the last textbook is called The Growth of Mathematics from Counting to Calculus. So we have 3 textbooks that just focus on counting to calculus, but we also have math history built. So here's what you get in this course. You get the concepts explained from basic addition all the way to calculus. Okay, so you get the concepts explained. You also get applications in this course. Why am I learning this material, right? And then we talk about, of course, career preparation. We talk about study skills. These are all built into the course. Note taking. There's videos for you in this course. You get to learn the history and philosophy of science, because at the end, when we get to 1660 to 1680, we talk about Isaac Newton, science and the scientific revolution. We're going to expand upon that topic. But not only do you get, again, the concepts, you also get the history. So you are learning in this course the history of math from 2000 BC to 2000 AD, and you're also learning the concepts of mathematics that were developed during this time, and they will tie back to helping you learn how to take the SAT, the ACT, the GRE, the IGSCE, and students who take exams in the United Kingdom. Because whether you want to go to Oxford or Harvard or Princeton, right? So we have, whether you want to go to Oxford or you want to go to Cambridge, we have you covered. We have the resources that will help you learn well so you can apply to these universities. MIT, Princeton, Stanford, Harvard, Yale, Johns Hopkins. We like to help you figure out your vision first, and we have that course as part of this. We're going to just bundle it in with this for you. And basically, with about 30 minutes a day and 1 year of commitment, you literally will learn from counting to calculus in 1 year. This is for people who are maybe in 8th grade or 9th grade that want to accelerate their learning. And here's the cool thing. If you do this course and you take it seriously, there's a really cool incentive. You get to get college credit for it, right? You could get calculus, college credit, and then I'm actually just going to bundle in chemistry. Why not? But for chemistry, you do have to pass the CLEP test, which I have here, and I'll guide you along the way. Wait, I thought we were talking about calculus and math. That's where education has gotten into trouble. Back in the 1600s and 1700s, you learned everything together. Like Newton went to Cambridge to study law, by the way, because there was no physics, because there had not yet been an Isaac Newton. Think about that. How crazy is that? That the man who came up with physics went to Cambridge to study law because there was no physics, and today we do physics because of Newton. That's really cool. And so in this course, we're going to take you through the series of all these concepts that Isaac Newton helped us with. And here's where the history comes in a little bit. So I'm going to share with you some books here on the history of math. These are bundled into our course. Books about James Clerk Maxwell, Leonard Euler, Michael Faraday, Fermat, Pierre de Fermat. So along the way, on this journey, we'll have times where we need to take a detour for a second, right? We need to take a quick detour when we get to about 1600 to talk about Fermat's last theorem, about 1640, I should say, and so on and so forth. And the cool thing is that when you learn math well, and you learn science well, right? The history and philosophy of science, it will expand your ability to reason. And so you're going to learn to reason better. You're going to be able to get up to 9 college credits. And if you want to do the elite program, it's actually up to 21 math credits. And that's where you can get calculus 2 credit, calculus 3, linear algebra, differential equations, statistics, and discrete mathematics. So basically, you graduate high school with a math minor. But let's say you're done with high school and you're not sure what to do with your life, but you think you want to go into math. Well, consider taking the course for that reason as well, because we can help you catch up quickly. In a year is like the long time, but if you want to condense it to 6 months, we're here to help you. So reach out to Amos amosthemathguy@gmail.com or amosthemathguy.com, amosthemathguy.com. There will be a little bit of history and philosophy of science in this course as well. I have Dr. Stephen Meyer's book here, The Return of the God Hypothesis. We're going to explore some of the history and philosophy of science discussions. His PhD was in the history and philosophy of science. I also have a book on inventions and innovations that is woven into this, because we're not going to just learn the math without the applications, right? So we have a textbook, as I said, it's called From Counting to Calculus, that we're using for our class. And then Journey Through Genius is the history text that goes with the math class. All the other books are recommended texts. They're not required. And so I'm excited to journey through this with you. Reach out if you have any questions. And the college credit piece is really cool. So we'll talk about CLEP preparation in one of my videos. But basically, with the CLEP preparation, the College Board is the company that does the CLEP testing. And so we register with College Board. We take the test in a city like Fargo, for example, and then you basically need the passing score. Once you get that score, like 60, for example, you get credit for that course. So when you select, let's say, calculus or chemistry in the College Board CLEP preparation or CLEP course, you choose the course you want to take a CLEP test for, you register for it, and then you go to the testing center for the day that they give you, and that's how you get your college credit for chemistry especially. There's a lot more we can talk about. As you see on this channel, there's a video showing the stack of books. There's a lot of books here. Don't be overwhelmed by it, but the reason why these books are here is because we really take math seriously here at Amos the Math Guy, and we want to guide you through this journey so that you are proficient in mathematics and that that math doesn't stand in the way for you getting into any field. And this video or this course is also for anybody who just wants to enjoy the history of mathematics. You just want to sit back, relax on a Friday night and learn about Fermat's last theorem or Isaac Newton's gravitational force and so on and so forth. Okay, you take care. Please subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the class. How long is the class going to last? I am estimating that this recording series will carry on through the summer. So basically, if you come back to my channel regularly, you'll see the videos arranged in order, video 1, video 2, video 3, and you can just enjoy. There is a portal if you want to get the full access to all the resources, as well as to be able to email our coaches. And the cost of the course right now for the summer, the special, is $300 for this course. $300 gives you access to all these materials I just described, all the math concepts from basic math to calculus, all in one place for you. And if you buy it this summer, you get to you pay the $300, you get to keep the course. That's my gift to you. So reach out to amosthemathguy@gmail.com or amosthemathguy.com. I'll put the link in the description section. You sign up for the course, I'll get a notification. I'll schedule a time to have a diagnostic discussion of, if you want to do a diagnosis of your math abilities, I can give you, we'll give you a test. I'll go over the results with you, and then you can decide where you want to go from there. But basically, in that portal that you have all the topics you need. So kids who are in school that need extra help in math, you have what you need. Kids who are in school that want to go further and feel like they're stuck doing the same thing everybody's doing, this course is for you as well. Adults who just want to learn math for fun, this course is for you as well. This course is for anybody who wants to give math a chance and become a pro at mathematics. It'll help you in computer science and chemistry and physics and nursing and medical school and engineering school. So I'm excited to help. Take care and have a blessed day.